This week we have an epic giveaway for you in partnership with Samsung. We are giving away 10 prizes. Yes, you heard that right, 10 prizes. First up, we have a DJI Mavic Pro Platinum Bundle. This awesome piece of kit has the ability to record at glorious 4K resolution and automatically return to home when signal's lost or the battery is too low to return to its takeoff point. Not only do you get the drone, you also get a DJI carry case, 2 extra batteries, a car charger and spare propellers. Second up, we have a Mavic Air bundle. This small but mighty drone has a 21-minute flight time, 4K recording, 120 frames per second slow motion and the ability to control the drone from takeoff to landing using gesture controls. Again, you also get a DJI carry case, 2 extra batteries and battery charging hub. Both of these prizes also include a 32GB Samsung Pro Plus SD card. In addition to these epic prizes, we'll also be giving away 1 Samsung Pro Plus SD card to 8 runners-up. Not bad, eh? Click on the link below for your free entry and good luck.